Hello students, welcome to the class of Advanced Corporate Financial Management. This particular subject is for the students of 5th semester BBA for the Financial Finance optional. Now under this particular subject, we are going to study about mergers and acquisition, how these corporate restructurings take place, the processes, the different types, and how the companies go ahead with this. So the first unit that we are going to see is about the introduction to mergers and acquisition. Here we are going to study about the basic concepts about these, what do they mean, how they are different from each other. So, in order to focus on the conceptual knowledge, let us first begin with the definition of merger. So, the definition is given by Halsbury's Laws of England, which says merging is a blending of two or more existing undertaking into one undertaking. So, a new business is being formed when two businesses come together. Further, the definition says that there is a role of shareholders also. So, this new undertaking will also consist of the shareholders of both the businesses. So, merger not only includes the combination of two businesses, but merger is also including the combination of two shareholders of the previous two businesses who have now become the shareholders of this new business. Or we can also say that merger is what? It is the pooling of the equals. Pooling of the equals. Businesses belonging to the same financial position, businesses who belong to the same financial interest, businesses who have equal number of resources who come together and form a new business. At the same time, what is acquisition? Acquisition is when one firm is absorbing or when one firm undertakes another firm, it is called acquisition. What does it undertakes or what does it acquires? The operations of the other business. So mergers and acquisition, everything is related to two things. One is ownership and second one is assets and liabilities. So together, if we want to define mergers and acquisition, we can see a small definition over here. Mergers and acquisitions are collaborations between two or more firms. So in a merger, two or more companies, they are coming together, and in acquisition, one company is acquiring the other company. The company which acquires the other company is called the acquirer, and the company which is acquired by the other company is known as acquired company. So this was the basic meaning of mergers and acquisition. Moving further, how mergers and acquisitions are different from each other. The definition itself was enough to tell us about how they are different from each other. So the first point over here we can see is the basic meaning, which we have already discussed. The two or more firms combine their assets and resources, and in acquisition, where one giant company is taking over another business entity. When we talk about the firm size, in merger, both the merging companies, they have similar size and scale of operation. That is why it is called pooling of the equals. And when we come to acquisition, the acquirer is larger than the target. Or you can say the acquirer is larger than the acquired company. Okay, in size as well as on the basis of scale of operation. Type of decision. In merger, both the companies have mutual decision to come together. Whereas in acquisition, it can be like both the companies are coming, or it is the sole decision of one giant company. The other company may be going in losses, so it is not interested to work further. So it is ready to give up itself to the another giant company. When in merger, two companies are coming, so a new firm is created. But in case of acquisition, new firm is not created. The acquired company takes the identity of the acquirer company. So there is no formation of new company. Same goes about the power merger, both have equal power or power as decided mutually. But in acquisition, the giant company or the acquirer company has greater power. Then we have the legal procedure of merger is bit lengthy because new firm is being formed, so all the legal procedures have to go accordingly. But when it comes to acquisition, in acquisition the process is not that lengthy because one company is being taken over by the other. So that company loses its identity and takes the identity of another company. So no new company is formed. So the process of its making is not that. Remaining topics we'll continue in the next video.